Hi everyone, I'm Tantalazea and today we're going to go over the top 3 platforms you can use to visually plan and schedule your posts. So that'll allow you to automate your post and use that time that you're using on social media to run other parts of your business. The first platform I want to go over is Later. I personally use Later and that's because it's affordable. So you can start using Later for free, and if you want to include analytics, it's only $9 a month. So that includes Instagram, Twitter. It doesn't have Facebook analytics, so you're going to have to go to your Facebook page and look at your insights from there.
All right, so this is Later. For the free version, you have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and you have 30 posts for the month, so that means a post per day. And then for the paid version, $9 a month, you have the same social media platforms, but 3 posts per day. If we scroll down here, you can schedule Instagram stories and multi-photo posts, but the thing to keep in mind is that this doesn't automatically publish them. So Later it'll send you a reminder, like a notification on your phone, and you'll have to manually click publish for that one.
Okay, so next up we have Buffer. So Buffer has a 7-day free trial and it has everything that Later has, but after the free trial, it's $15 a month. So in addition to the Later social media platforms, it also has LinkedIn. So that's one of the reasons why I tried it. When I tried connecting my Instagram account, I kept getting logged off every time I would try to log in or use the account. And I tried disconnecting a personal account because I've heard of other people having similar issues where if you have multiple accounts, it logs you off for some reason. And I was already logged off. I wasn't sure what was going on. So I contacted support and it didn't get resolved, so I just stopped using Buffer.
All right, so this is Buffer. It's $15 a month after the 7-day free trial. And then you have 100 posts per social account, so that means 3 posts a day. It has Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and the additional one from Later is LinkedIn. And there's the feature that stood out to me. It's called the Instagram first comment. So when you post on Instagram, you'll have the comment that you want to put in, and then right after that, it'll be able to post the hashtags separately, so you don't have to see all the hashtags that you put in there, because you could put up to 30 hashtags on Instagram, but you don't want people to see that. You just want to put that on there so that you can get attention on your post.
Okay, so lastly we have Hootsuite, and Hootsuite has everything that we mentioned earlier. It has Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, everything. So everything's included in that. The downside is that it's $20 a month, but you get all the bells and whistles.
So with Hootsuite, it's $29 a month after your free trial, and that includes all the social media platforms we mentioned, including LinkedIn and YouTube. Right now I can't see analytics since I'm using the free version, but on the paid version, it's included in it. This page was hard to find, so if you want to check it out for yourself, you can go to hootsuite.com/plans/professional.
I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, click subscribe and the bell below so you can get notified whenever I post videos like this, which will be next week. And I also have a question. I want to know what social media management platform you use. So whether that's Hootsuite, Later, Buffer, or something else, put it in the comments below. Until next time.